Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix can't change my username on Rednote app. So if you also want to fix can't change my username on Rednote app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So whenever you're trying to change your username on Rednote app, you might not be able to do it. So in order to fix that problem, what you have to do is add your phone number to your Rednote account. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Rednote application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to fix this problem, first of all, tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is go to settings. For that, simply tap on the gear icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for account security, general settings, notification settings, privacy settings, etc. Simply tap on the first option, that is account security. Now you'll be led to the account security interface. You'll be able to find several options related to account security over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for mobile. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to buy new phone number. What you have to do is enter your phone number over here. Also, you can select the country code. Simply tap on the field for country code. After that, you'll be able to see the country codes over here. Simply tap on the country of your choice. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your phone number. Now after you enter the phone number, what you have to do is tap on the option get code that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you'll be able to get the code on WhatsApp. You'll be able to see the code over here. You can also copy the code. Simply tap on the option copy code. Now after that, what you have to do is go back to the Rednote application. Now simply enter that code over here. Now after that, wait for a while. Now after that, you can see over here your mobile number will be added successfully. Now after that, your problem will be fixed and you'll be able to change your username. So that is how you fix can't change my username on Rednote app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.